If you're ever coming to a stop, and like I'm in 4th gear still right now, then when you stop, if you're trying to downshift, sometimes it's hard to downshift and it'll actually work. So you can kind of let out on the clutch as you're downshifting, and then it'll actually let you downshift and engage it if you're having issues. Sometimes when you're like, once you actually come to a stop, then it doesn't, there's no load on the engine and it doesn't really want to downshift. But if you're downshifting when you're going up to the light and pulling in the clutch and downshifting the whole time, then it'll clunk pretty hard the whole time. So I'm not really sure if that's bad on your transmission technically, because it's like clunking pretty hard. But once you come to a stop, then you try and downshift, and part of the time it just doesn't want to do it properly. So if you just let out on the clutch just a little, just for enough for it to engage a little bit, then it'll make it a lot easier just to downshift all the way to first.